Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to go through an Etsy shop critique. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. For those of you who have not seen a shop critique yet, this is where I go through a shop off the cuff completely, and I have not looked at it, and I will go through anywhere between 1 to 3 listings as well as the overall shop feel and aesthetic, so that way the person I am critiquing can increase sales, traffic, and their conversion rate. So I'm going to head on over to my computer screen and we will get started. So today we are going to go through the shop by Monica called A Little Bit of Monica, which when I read that, it reminded me of the Mambo No. 5 song, which I will now have stuck in my head for the rest of the week. She does have a banner here, which is good. I will say that this logo's got to go because you do have what looks like Minnie Mouse as your logo. And so, you know, that with the red and white dots is kind of a bit of brand confusion. So we definitely want to make sure that that is changed up and something that is more not Disney. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on favorite shop here, and it looks like you have your shop section set up, which is good. You talk about your classic happy planner stickers, holiday happy planner stickers, Disney stickers. Just get rid of that in its entirety because that is trademark and copyright issues. Seasonal, travel, instant downloads, printable planner pages, and SVG files, instant files. You could probably get rid of the instant files here and just leave SVG files because there's really no purpose for that. Going through though, it does look like your branding is all very consistent. Though I will say this sidebar is different colors. So I'm wondering why that may be. Definitely get rid of the instant download text here at the bottom. You don't need that. People will understand that if you're providing these file types, that's what you're providing, and it is a digital download. So definitely remove this files from the bar and this instant download. These are file types and people will understand what that is. I do see that you have a watermark on the back of your images. I would also get rid of that. It just doesn't serve a purpose. If somebody's going to trace your stuff, they are motivated and they are scumbags. So get rid of that for sure. Your promo images though as a whole are good and consistent, especially for your wall art printables that you have, as well as your stickers printables that you have. Looks like you have a 4-star average review here, so we'll scroll down and see if what the issues are here. Looks like you had a 3-star back in April about the stickers appearing blurry. And this looks like one of your trademark copyright issued ones, so I would just remove that anyway, and this will show up that file has been removed. Definitely get rid of those Disney planning packs because Disney will find you. You might not think so. And ooh, there's a 1-star review from August of 2020. I'd be curious to know why this person rated this 1 star and why they decided that. So if you could follow up with them, that would be good. You have a certain period of time to do that, and I think you may be out of that window. But you definitely want to follow up with that customer, considering you have gotten 5 stars from other people. Okay. And I'm just going through to see if I can see anything else, and it doesn't look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up and we'll jump right into the critiques of the listings. Okay, so the first one I chose was this travel agent sticker. And it looks like these are physical products. Is that correct? Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the description. One thing I will recommend, and I'm going to take this one off of the listings that I'm reviewing, is that if you have physical products and digital products, you want to remove the physical and put those in a different shop separate from the digital, because that is just going to cause confusion. Okay, so I do recommend that if you're going to be doing both, you stick to one or the other. So that would be my advice to you, is debating whether or not you want to keep these as digital. So I'm going to go ahead and close out on this listing. I'm strictly focused on digital downloads here. So it looks like these Happy Planner stickers are physical products that you're sending out. Although some of them do look like they are printable planner pages. You definitely want to separate those from each other. So I will go ahead and open that one up. We do have an instant download wall art here. And you talk about how it is an instant download. You have some good mock-up images of what this looks like. You talk about the files that you have here, so they can scale down, okay? So overall, I think that these promo images are very good. So I'm looking at the title. You can definitely get rid of instant download wall art, printable wall art, okay? You want to start off with your most important keyword, okay? So in this case, this is a pumpkin spice printable. So I would start off with pumpkin spice wall art, okay? And so even this right here, watercolor, fall, pumpkin spice, and everything nice wall art. Maybe autumn wall art, and one more keyword using that 3 keyword method that I've talked about in several videos. And if you look at the Etsy listing tag planner, and I'll post the link to that up above, you will see what I'm talking about when I say your 3 target keywords. That's really what you want your title to center around, okay? And then when you optimize this title, you're gonna put that on the first line of your description, and it looks like you go through instant download, and quality depends on, you know, what you're using. It is for personal use only, how to print it. So that's all very well and good. You may, and you do talk about no refunds being given. So that's a good canned description here. Definitely optimize that title and get it to where it needs to be. So I'm going to go ahead and find this one, instant download, right here to look at your tags. Fall wall decor, autumn wall print, printable fall decor, printable wall art, pumpkin wall decor, watercolor pumpkin, pumpkin spice, decor for living room. Maybe just do living room decor for that one. Fall wall quote, autumn wall decor, living room art, living room signs, digital download. Get rid of the digital download tag. You may want to add in a little bit more variety here, especially about pumpkin spice. You may want to include and everything nice. It looks like you talk about wall decor and printable fall decor. So I think you really much have covered all your tracks. Just definitely get rid of that digital download and maybe adjust this tag, and I think you'll do pretty well on this one. I don't really have much more feedback on that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out on this one. The next one I want to look at here is my very first Christmas ever. Again, I'll make the same comment. Remove this files right here. Remove this instant download, and don't bother with the watermark. I can see that you have talked about HTV. You have this on a mock-up, which looks really good. Okay, and you have some text about how to use this. And you talk about the personal or limited commercial use, 100 or less, ones not included. So I think you have really good promo images here. You definitely want to work on this title. SVG cutting file, first Christmas baby. It's just a hot mess. I would maybe do my very first Christmas ever SVG, baby bodysuit SVG, and Christmas SVG file, and that's what I would leave it at. Do not use the word onesie. Onesie is trademarked by Gerber, and they are very aggressive about their trademark. Once you optimize this title, put that in the top of your description, okay? You do talk about the file types that they're getting. It's a cutting file. Again, remove that word onesie out of there. And then you talk about the rest of the terms and conditions here, so that's good. All right, we'll go back here and we'll look and see SVG cutting file. Here it is. Again, I would remove this SVG cutting file. First Christmas is good. Baby SVG. Get rid of Cricut file. I would get rid of Silhouette SVG file, baby shower gift SVG, that's good. Cutting file, get rid of. Digital download, get rid of. Christmas gift, you could leave that. Get rid of Christmas gift, leave baby Christmas gift. Christmas DIY, PNG Cricut file you need to remove, MPing, yeah, all of these you need to remove. Christmas 2020 is not related. So these tags definitely need a lot of work. I don't see anything in here about baby's first Christmas or my very first Christmas. You could even relate it to Christmas tree, Christmas word art, baby bodysuit, baby crawler. Definitely don't put anything about onesie in here. These tags certainly need some work. I think that will get you on the up and up here. You may want to consider raising your prices. $3 isn't so bad. I do see a lot of SVGs priced at $3. Just don't ever go below that, okay? So overall, I think the listing images are really good. Title needs work. Tags definitely need work, okay? And then you have some printable planner pages, which we'll go look for here. Okay. And again, this is kind of like a bit of a mess. I think the planners pages are very beautiful. You talk about cutting using the guides and print out 100% on your home computer, cut it out using the guides on the page. Okay. Good. The title does need work. However you want to describe this, looks like pumpkins and fall, so maybe fall pumpkin, cotton candy pumpkin planner page. That's kind of odd thing to put there, but maybe colorful pumpkin planner pages. That was a tongue twister. But optimize that title. Once you optimize that, put it at the top of your description. And it looks like you do talk about that these do fill the Happy Planner, Classic Planner. They don't fit in the Erin Condren planners. A good addition to the planner, you talk about needing Adobe Reader and how they can print this out at home and what they will receive. So I'm not sure if this is a trademark issue. I think this is the kind of the same thing that happens with Silhouette and Cricut when we use Silhouette Cameo or Cricut Explore Air 2 or whatever it may be in titles and tags is just a type of like promotion for Happy Planner or Silhouette or Cricut, and it's not anything that they necessarily go after when we utilize these things. And it's a question that has been brought up quite a few times on the Facebook group and from people that I work with on is this okay? And I've asked around in some of the designing groups, and none of them seem to feel like that was a big deal. So I'm not too concerned about the Happy Planner, the use of the words Happy Planner, because you do state that you're not endorsed with them, so that kind of covers your butt a little bit, okay? Let's look at the tags here. Printable page, planner pages, Happy Planner page, fall printable page, pumpkin printer page. That doesn't make any sense. Maybe pumpkin printable would be a good one. Daily task page, printable daily task, planner refills, planner inserts, fall planner inserts, Happy Planner insert, printable inserts, instant download. Definitely get rid of instant download. I think these tags are good. You may want to focus more on fall or pumpkin specifically. And I don't really see that reference too much in here. Maybe also autumn as well. And see if that bumps things up. Okay. So I've gone through the 3 listings for Monica. I'm just going to go back to all listings here. So again, just to start from the top, the branding isn't horrible, but then when I started looking down here, it is very Minnie Mouse centric. So you definitely want to get that changed, okay? Definitely get rid of the trademark copyright concerns in your shop with the Disney related stuff. Everybody loves Disney, but it's not worth getting your shop shut down or any legal action taken against you, okay? Any physical products that you have, you need to make a decision. Do you want to sell the physical products or do you want to focus on digital? If you want to focus on digital, move your physical products to another shop or start another shop for your printables, okay? I think the branding is good. You just want to make sure that you keep your colors consistent because it looks like you use different reds in some of the promo images and some of the other ones you do not. Remove the words for instant download, remove the words for files, and get rid of the watermark, okay? Definitely need to work on those titles. I presume that's going to be across the board. Try to stick to that 3 keyword method for the titles. Put that title in the first line of the description, and definitely go back through and look at your tags and make sure everything's kosher, okay? I think your price points aren't bad. Definitely don't go below $3. I would try to keep your SVGs consistent because you have some at 3 and some at 4, and there's really not that much difference in intricacy. So it's either keep it at 4 or keep it at 3. $3.50 is a good sweet spot too. That's what I personally price all of mine at, regardless of the intricacy. So just keep that in mind, okay? Overall, I think it's a really good effort. I think that you'll continue to make sales and continue to grow. I would just tweak some of these minor things and see where that'll get you. So if you have any questions about anything I went over, go ahead and drop a comment in the video, drop a comment on the Facebook page, let me know there. And for those of you who are watching, same thing. Go ahead and drop a comment in the video below. Head on over to the Facebook group. We're creating a community of like-minded individuals trying to grow their business. And as always, if you got something on this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that keeps me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And if you're looking for a shop critique and you're just starting out, go ahead and roll on over to the Facebook group and go to the announcements tab and post your shop link, and I will add you to my ever-growing list of shop critiques so we can go through and get you started and get you some help. That way you can increase your traffic, increase your sales, and increase that conversion rate so you can get bumped up on that Etsy search, okay? If you guys need anything else, just let me know, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great night.